I got 2 packets from H&M and little bit from ValleyGirl. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of these kinds of videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and also join me on all social media sites. I will leave the link below in the description box. Oh my gosh, I love my coffee. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys what I got from H&M and also from ValleyGirl. So these are some of the stuffs I got together. So it's Valentine's Day today and my husband got me these. So yeah, we were passing ValleyGirl store, then he said, okay, let's go, we'll buy something for you. So yeah, when I went inside, like I got few stuffs which I love, like it's my favorite. Then we saw H&M, then we went inside H&M and we got some stuffs for myself, my husband, and also some stuffs for my kids. Like whenever I go shopping, I see these stuffs and I buy. Like some of these were on sale, so like literally I wanted to get them. So especially for my girls and also for my son, like they love H&M stuff, so, and ValleyGirl too. So like my son loves H&M clothes, so yeah, I got him I think only one thing. So yeah, without further ado, let's see what I got from ValleyGirl and H&M. So it's a haul again. I got 2 packets from H&M and little bit from ValleyGirl. So let's see what I got from ValleyGirl first. Okay, as you guys can see in my background, like these colors, they are my favorite colors. So when I saw this, I fell in love with these pens. So I got it. Like last time, I think I showed you guys one of these pens, and that was in color, I think grayish blue, I think so. So this is a similar pens, long pens. This is really a good stretchy material, and like this is in size 10, and of course the price was only $10, and like I love it. Like it's a high waist pants, and like it's very very comfy, and I just love these kinds of pants. And the second I got is a top, and this one was only $6, and this one is in size small, and I love it. Like it's beautiful. It's a see-through material, but it's cool. I love the sleeve. It's that flare kind of sleeve, and the color is so pretty too. It's a simple button. So the next one is a top. It's a yellow top, and this is polyester 93% and 7% elastane, and it says cold machine wash dark colors separately, so do not soak. It's beautiful. And the next top is a black top. Why not? We all love black top. So this is just a crop top, black crop top. And this one is in size small, and this was only $8. The other one is $8 too, I think. And it looks like this. The buttons looks like this. It's beautiful, and the material is really stretchy. That's why I got in the size small. And I got two, like one black, one white. Same top. I think it's same. Yeah, kind of. Same price. Small. Yeah, it is small. It's beautiful. And the last top from ValleyGirl is this one. Like literally, I love this one. And this one was only $4. It's beautiful pink top. The material is really stretchy. So these were all the stuffs from ValleyGirl, and now I'm going to show you guys what I got from H&M. Okay, first stuff is this shorts. I got this for my little one. And this one is in size 32. It was $14.99. She loves shorts, so I got her this one. And the next one is a skate pants, and this one is like this. It's a high-waisted pants. I really like it. Like this one I got for my girl Eliza. I think I should have bought one for myself, but it's okay. The material is not stretchy, but it has elastic here and also a belt too. She loves these kinds of pants, so that's why I got her this one. And this was, oh my god, $29. Just because she loves it, that's why I got her. So the next one is this training shape waist, and this one is just a workout pants, and this one is $29.99, and I really like it. Like it's awesome, just for workout. I hope it will be good. It will fit me, just because this one is Euro size small. Yeah, it will fit me. And the next one is this pants, and this is a shaping skinny regular waist denim, and I got this for my girl Eliza. I really like it. I really like it. So this one like was $79.99. Like look, and I got only for $10. Wow, my gosh, I should have got one for myself, but like there was none of my size, so that's why. The next one is this skinny regular waist. So the material is really stretchy, and this one was $24.99, and I got only for $10, which is awesome. And this is that high-waisted pants. I think I showed you guys earlier, like ValleyGirl one, and like this one has pockets at the back, as you can see, and it looks like jeans material, I think, but it's really stretchy. I really like it. I really like this kind of high-waisted pants just because of this elastic. It fits perfectly, and also when you sit, it's like so comfortable, and I just love it. That's why I got this one. So I think I got a few of these. So the next one is this one. This one is training, what do you call, sport training. So this is just a hoodie. I think we got two. This one is $34.99. I think I got for my son or my hubby, but it looks really good. And this one is in size, got no idea, I think in size large. So I think this one is for my husband, and this is really cool. I got two, so I don't know, I found first for my son, then my husband found another one for himself. So yeah, this one is also like $34.99, and this one is training, same thing, everything is same, I think, in size medium. So this is for my son, and like I really like it. I don't know, but this one looks a little bit different than that one because of the material, I think. So this looks really good, and my son loves these kinds of hoodies, so that's why I really like the sleeve, and it looks so cool. I think it looks cool. Yeah, it does. Okay, this is the last one. This is just a t-shirt, and the price was $24.99, and I got for $7 only. And gosh, so this one my husband got for himself. This is just a t-shirt. It's really cool. I like it. Ice cube. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and join me on social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.